because we're dealing with gas. It is something that could be extremely dangerous in the wrong hands. And of course, having new people coming into the industry, you need to be on top of training all the time. Training should be something that is ongoing, continuously.
I started up my plumbing business about 16 years ago, just as myself, one-man band. Steadily grew over the years. I had a good opportunity to open a training centre, and that's what we did. Over the years, I've been with all the manufacturers, and Alpha, they're not a huge company, they're big enough, very good products, and the after sales is great. They could give support with the training centre. They give us some boilers for trainees. Obviously it works well for them as well, because any trainees working on Alphas, they're going to be looking to want to fit those when they're out there on their own.
Training is important for all engineers, especially on particular boilers. Of course, it's just a case of familiarising yourself with the boilers, having a look at the boilers in a lot more detail, and of course it gives you that perfect opportunity to take the boilers apart and find out, mainly for the maintenance side of things and for the servicing side of things, there's particular things that you can pick up by going through the training courses that you wouldn't be able to learn by not training, ultimately. We're always keen to work with local engineers, local installers, local companies, which is exactly what we have done with Mr Plumber over the last good few years. In this particular training centre, we've got all of the new boilers, our brand new range which has been out for about a year, as well as all of our previous combi range, for example, but we do have some other boilers here as well with our system boilers and heat only. But the beauty with, especially the boilers that I've got behind me, is that these are the boilers that are being sold at the moment. So it would be these boilers that the engineers would be buying and fitting straight away. If we can assist that and develop the engineers in the local area, then of course that's exactly what we will be doing. And any way that we can support guys who are trying to become qualified, then that's exactly what we do. And again, it takes us back to the focus where we are here to help the installers and help the engineers in any way that we can. We have a training day to start with, going through all of our products. The beauty with it being at Alpha and being at the head office is that the fact that we've got them all there and that people can see them all working, and as well, referring to the training in general, can actually work on the boilers, taking them all apart again, and starting our combi boilers, going through all of our system boilers, our heat-only boilers, all of our domestic range. And of course, you've got our commercial range as well as our flow smarts, as well as our solar smart. Again, just going back to familiarising themselves with the boiler, just making them feel comfortable.